Let's talk about making your GFI calls faster, without paying for an expensive dialer. With WealthSmyth and Google Voice, you can move through your call list in half the time, and it's all included with your WealthSmyth subscription. Head over to the Lead tab and use the bottom bar to scroll over and put the Notes column right next to phone number. This is just a nice way to organize your screen so you can get through a list quickly. Some people like to filter their leads and work on them in smaller groups. Let's filter by time zone. Click the phone number and Google Voice pops right up to make the call. While you're on the call, switch back to WealthSmyth and add a note so that you and your trainer always know where things stand. Just work straight down the list, take your notes, and keep moving. It's free, it's fast, and it keeps all your GFI call activity in one place. Try it in your next phone zone and see how much more you get done. If you need help getting set up, just head over to help.wealthsmyth.ai. In our Fill the Funnel collection, you'll find prospecting strategies for life and annuities agents, from how to work with your warm networks to prospecting a cold list. That's where you'll find the step-by-step guide called Set Up Google Voice Dialing. You can also ask chat, and it'll take you straight to the answer for almost any question. Join the community on GroupMe and start building your agency the fast, fun, and easy way with WealthSmyth AI.